Hello children, welcome to the Social Studies class. Today we'll start a new lesson, the Northern Plains. In this chapter, we will discuss about the location, extent and features of the Northern Plains, the Satluj, Ganga and Brahmaputra basins, life in the Northern Plains. Now children, look at this map. The shaded portion shows the Northern Plains. The Northern Plains extend from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east, covering a distance around 2500 km, and the width varies from 150 km to 300 km. You can see children, this side, the western part, it is a little bit wider than the eastern side. The Northern Plains are formed by the fine silt and sand brought down by the Himalayan rivers. The fine silt deposited in the valley is called alluvial soil. This soil is the most fertile soil and is good for growing crops. Children, you must be wondering, what is fertile? It's a land or soil that is capable of producing good crops. There are a number of rivers which start from the Himalayan mountains and flow through the Northern Plains. The Northern Plains consist of 3 river basins: Ganga River Basin, Brahmaputra River Basin and the Satluj River Basin. Now children, let us discuss about what is a basin. The area that is watered by a river and its tributaries is called a basin. That means a particular area that is supplied by water from a river and its tributaries, it is called a basin. Now what is a tributary? A tributary is a river that flows into larger river is called a tributary. So a tributary is a river that flows into or contributes water to a larger river. Okay. Now let us discuss about the Satluj River Basin. Now look at this children. The entire Northern Plain is divided into 3 parts. This is your Satluj River Basin. In the middle is your Ganga River Basin. Then it is the Brahmaputra River Basin. Now let us discuss about the Satluj River Basin. It is formed by river Satluj and its tributary river Beas. The 2 states Punjab and Haryana are located in this river basin. The 2 rivers flow in southwest direction and join Indus River in Pakistan. The Fakranangal Dam is built on river Satluj. It provides water for irrigation and to generate electricity. See children, this is the Fakranangal Dam built on river Satluj that provides water for irrigation and generate electricity to the state of Punjab and Haryana. Now children, let us discuss about Ganga River Basin. It is formed by river Ganga and its tributaries. Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal lies in this river basin. The Ganga originates from Gangotri Glacier and flows at a high speed down the mountain slopes. At Devprayag, it is joined by rivers Alaknanda and Mandakini. The Ganga enters Northern Plains at Haridwar. River Yamuna is the main tributary of the Ganga. It joins Ganga at Allahabad. The place where these rivers meet is called Sangam. The famous Kumbh Mela is held at Sangam every 12 years. Children, you can see here the pilgrims taking a holy bath at Sangam, Allahabad. The other tributaries of river Ganga are Gomti, Ghagra, Ganda, Kosi, Chambal, Betwa and Son. Gomti, Ghagra, Gandak and Kosi, they join from the north direction. Then Chambal, Betwa and Son joins from south. The lower part of Ganga river lies in West Bengal. Here the river flows very slowly and splits into two branches, Hooghly and Padma. Hooghly flows through Kolkata and Padma flows through Bangladesh. Now look at this, children. The tributaries Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi, they join from north, and Chambal, Betwa, Son, they join from south. Let's come to Brahmaputra river basin, the eastern part of northern plains formed by Brahmaputra river basin. It originates in Tibet, where it is called Yerlang Sangpo in Tibetan language. Now look at this, children. It originates from Tibet, where it is called Yerlang Sangpo in Tibetan language. This Brahmaputra river enters India through Arunachal Pradesh. It flows through Assam before entering Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, it joins Padma, branch of Ganga, and forms the largest delta of the world called Sundarbans. So children, in the next class, we will discuss about the life in the northern plains. The states coming under the northern plains are Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal, and the important cities are Amritsar, Delhi, Agra, Kanpur, Lucknow, Allahabad, Varanasi, Patna, Kolkata, Guwahati and Chandigarh. So in the next class, we will be discussing about the life of the people living in the northern plains. Okay children, thank you for today. Bye.